If you are planning to apply for Canada TRV, then this video can literally save your application, because in 2026 thousands of TRV application are getting rejected just because of small mistakes. And the scary part is 90% of people are repeating the same mistake without even realizing it. So before you apply, or if you are waiting right now, watch this video till the end, because one mistake can cost you everything. In this video, I'll show you the top TRV rejection reasons, the real logic behind them, and how you can avoid them. So the number first reason is weak purpose of visit. The visa officer wants to clearly understand why do you want to go to Canada. And if you just write tourism or a family visit but don't explain properly, your chances of rejection go very high. So common mistakes: no travel plan, no itinerary, generic explanation. What you should do: create a travel plan, explain your purpose in detail, show genuine intent, and remember, the officer will not guess. You have to explain everything in detail. Second reason: unclear or a weak financial proof. A lot of people think I have a money in my account, I am good. But that's not enough. The officer checks where your money come from, how stable your finances are, your transaction history. Here the people are doing the big mistakes are suddenly large deposits, borrowed money, no proof of income. So the solution is show 6-month bank history, add salary slips or a business proof, explain any large deposit. It's not about how much money you have, it's about how trustworthy your finances look. The third reason: weak ties to your home country. The officer want to be sure, will you return back or not? If you don't have a stable income, if you don't have a property, a family responsibility, then your application become risky. What you should show: a job letter, leave approval, or a family ties. And if you have assets, you can show them as well. You need to prove I have a strong reason to come back. Fourth reason: poor or no travel history. If you never traveled before, it can make your profile slightly weaker. Now this doesn't mean you will definitely get rejected, but yes, it increases the risk. What you can do: travel a few countries first if possible, or make other areas stronger: finances, purpose of visits, ties. So these are important for you. It's all about balance. Fifth reason is wrong or incomplete documents. This is one of the most common mistakes. For example, missing documents, wrong format, mismatched information. Even a small error can lead to rejection. So the solution is double check everything, whatever you gonna submit. Follow a proper check. Keep all information consistent. One small mistake can reject your full application. So be careful. Bonus mistake: copy paste SOP or cover letter. Many people just copy from the internet. Trust me, visa officer can easily tell. So your SOP should be personal, be clear, be logical. And don't copy, just explain your situation in your own way. That will help you to get easily approval. Let me be honest with you. TRV rejection is not about a luck. It's about how well you present your case. If you apply smartly, your chance gonna increase a lot. But if you apply blindly, then the rejection reason is very likely. If you want to apply for TRV application, you can find the video on I button, or I'll put the link in the description, where I show the exact process how you can file your submit step by step. You can also check there. And if you have any question regarding your application, you can drop your comment in the comment section. And if you want a complete document checklist, step by step guidance, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because the next video I'll explain what happen after you apply for your TRV, something most people don't understand. So see you in the next video.